Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through the simple step to log in TIA Health. Whether you are a patient, employee or just want to access your medical record, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's dive in. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. Whether you are using Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other browser of your choice, make sure it is up and running. Now, next in the address bar, type in TIA Health login. Once you type in TIA Health login, now hit enter. Here, you get to see the TIA Health website. So click in this section. Once you click in that section, now you will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your username in this section and password in this section. Make sure you input them correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your credit details in the respective field, double check to ensure they are accurate. Once you are certain, now click on the sign in options below the sign in field. Once you are signed in, depending on your role and permission, you will have access to different features and resources within the platform. Hence, through this way, you can log in into the TIA Health through your device. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.